Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use gradients in Affinity Studio. First thing I want you to do is actually go ahead and select a shape, and then you can go ahead and press G on your keyboard to open the gradient tool. Then you can go ahead and come and create points right here. Just click on any point and then drag a line to create a gradient. Then you can just come here and click on appearance. And here you'll see the fill. You can click here as well, and you can go ahead and customize this as per your wish. You can increase points as well, right? The midpoint. You can also change the color. You can go ahead and insert new points as well just by double clicking on it, as you can see. And if you don't want to use the G shortcut, you can easily just go ahead and go back to the fill section. As such, you go to appearance, go to fill, click on that, click on gradient, and then you can start your gradient point. And really that easy, and that is how to use gradients in Affinity Studio.